Technology has revolutionized the way we enjoy ourselves, connect with others, keep healthy, and secure our safety and mobility over the years. For this video today, we are counting down the 10 amazing innovations you need to see. So let's take a look. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. Number 10. Butterfly IQ, a new era of medical imaging. Instead of the piezoelectric crystals used in typical ultrasounds, the Butterfly IQ portable ultrasound scanner uses an easy-to-manufacture semiconductor chip. This technology provides a low-cost window into the human body, allowing anybody to access high-quality diagnostic imaging. The portable probe from Butterfly IQ has been reduced to the size of a chip, allowing medical practitioners to just connect it to their phone. The gadget has a variety of clinical applications, including pediatric, gynecological, and abdominal patients. The gadget can send the image instantly to a smartphone and has the extra benefit of storing it in the cloud. Number 9. Energy-producing roads. Roads might act as solar panels, generating power for streetlights, homes, and even the vehicles that travel on them. Solar Road used this ambitious concept to create the world's first energy-generating bike path. The top layer of the road presented the most technological challenge. It had to allow as much sunlight as possible while being sturdy and damage-resistant. A Solar Road kit allows you to create 10 square meters of Solar Road, which provides enough power to satisfy an average household's annual electricity consumption. Number 8. Medical drones. Medical delivery drones are used to transport critical medical supplies to patients in remote areas of Rwanda. ZIPS means drones that may deliver vaccinations, medications, or blood to patients. Health professionals just send a message request for medical supplies to Central Distribution Center. Within minutes, a zip is loaded and launched, traveling at around 100 kilometers per hour to its destination, where the supplies are dropped using a paper parachute. Number 7. Doller Microscope. Foldscope is an origami-inspired paper microscope. It costs less than $1 and fits in a pocket, yet it is strong enough to disclose blood cells and germs. Foldscope might be extremely useful for medical or educational organizations in distant or resource-limited places. The World Intellectual Property Organization's research project to battle neglected tropical illnesses has funded field experiments with the University of Lagos to employ Foldscope as a diagnostic tool in the treatment of malaria. Number 6. Bottle light bulbs. A leader of light aims to bring sustainable lighting to communities. This project is open sourcing a simple and creative technique for producing low-cost solar light bulbs. Volunteers train communities how to build the bulbs to light up houses with little or no access to power using recycled plastic bottles and locally produced materials. Number 5. Solar rechargeable hearing aids. Tens of millions of individuals worldwide require hearing aids. Fewer than 3% of people in underdeveloped nations can afford to acquire one. Solar Ear is solving this void with low-cost solar rechargeable hearing aids. These hearing aids, which are very resistant and long-lasting, empower Solar Ear users. Deaf persons are also recruited by the firm to build Solar Ear goods. Number 4. Low-cost harvest storage. Every year, small farmers in Africa lose more than 30% of their cowpea or maize yield to insect pests as a result of inadequate storage procedures. The PIX bag, a triple-layer reusable plastic bag, provides an efficient solution for them. It's low-cost, chemical-free, and easy to use, and it's changing the lives of hundreds of thousands of African small farmers. Number 3. Lightyear 1, a solar-powered car. The Lightyear 1, developed by the Dutch automotive firm Lightyear, is the world's first long-range solar-powered vehicle capable of traveling about 500 miles on a single charge. Lightyear 1 is also one of the first and leading plug-in electric vehicles capable of charging up to 354 miles of energy in an hour. Because of its self-charging potential, some owners may find themselves rarely needing to plug in their vehicle. The sun can increase the vehicle's total range by up to 7.5 miles per hour. In perfect condition, its solar panels can produce more than 12,000 miles of electricity each year. Number 2. We Walk, a smarter cane. According to the World Health Organization, there are over 250 million visually impaired persons in the world, with 50 million using a cane. Since the invention of the white cane, it has never been reinvented, and visually impaired people have experienced difficulties such as coming across above-the-chest barriers. We Walk tackles this problem and expands it by integrating it with smartphones. We Walk is a smart cane that identifies items above the chest levels and pairs with apps like Google Maps to let visually impaired and blind persons explore the digital world without the need for a smartphone. Number 1. OrCam My Eye 2, making vision audible. OrCam My Eye 2.0 is a game-changing vision device that enhances the lives of those who are blind or partially sighted. The most modern wearable assistive device for blind and visually handicapped promotes independence by verbally communicating visual information. It reads text, recognizes faces, and identifies items, among other things. The OrCam My Eye 2 might be a game changer for folks who suffer from vision problems. The artificial intelligence gadget, dubbed talking glasses, connects to the frame of many spectacles. Fitting all of this power into such a little gadget is similar to stuffing an elephant into a small closet. According to the technology's designer, Aman Shashwat, it can also help people who have reading issues such as dyslexia. The gadget has been sold in 48 countries and has even been used in Israeli elections to assist blind and visually challenged persons in voting. So guys, that was it for this video. What did you think about our video? Let us know in the comment section below. If you are new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to get notified about our latest videos. Thank you for watching.